Kwali in Abuja is a very different experience.
Yeah.
It's a pristine environment, and we are in the BHG Agroforestry project. This is an eye opener. It is exceptional. It needs to be made known largely, far and wide in the country. This is where we are heading. This project takes care of climate change, it takes care of food security, and it's an inspiration for the future. So I've had, ever since coming here, delicious meals, courtesy of Chef Lola and the BHF from their farms.
Yes.
So yes, organic produce, you are worry-free, and then presented in extreme.
Go, push. 2, push. 3, I know. 4, 1 more. 5. Okay, come back up. Do a sharp hold. That's 5. Stretch the shoulder, your forehead, your wrist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
For 4 years, even now, if we enter here, you must find something inside this farm that you can harvest. Every month, for the past 4 years plus. What we planted first, that thing we planted, those crops we planted once in 2019, is 4 years now, because soil is succession.
Like I said, I want germination. It's very important. The end result. The end result is what we want. So look at me.
Okay. You can lend me a pen.
Do you understand? So we're done with that. I don't want
I have one in my bag.
Yeah, I did like to no. You have a duty of
Can lend me a pen.
This pen will do the best for your client.
If these smallholder farmers can actually have access to funds, we will have so much abundance of food in Nigeria. We will feed Africa and start exporting.
The highlight for me is that you can actually make money from even the waste products. You can make money from grass. It's something, and people are looking for grass to buy. The amount of money that he told us in class today that it generates from selling grass. My sister, it's wonderful. This place is something else. Since yesterday, I've been breathing fresh air. Fresh.
I'm currently collaborating with BHF Agroforestry because I have the understanding that the quality of life that we're living starts from the crops. So the quality of the food we eat, as I've said before, affects the quality of life that we live. So down to the things that we put into the soil, it really matters. How much nutrients are in the foods we're actually eating. A lot of us are eating dead food that we're not even aware of. So this organic farm helps us to get the highest amount of nutrients that food can have, so that it can help to nourish and heal our body. So immediately I found them, I was like, no, people need to know about this. People need to understand the implications of eating pesticide-free foods and herbicides, because all these pesticides and herbicides that are put in food now actually affect our immune system.
To put it shortly for you, before eating, you need a minimum viable product. Can you give me a product? There are people with money that will give you this. You understand?
Healthy eating is only about eating vegetables or eating only salad. But salad is just a component of the entire plate. It should not be the only thing you're eating. You shouldn't starve yourself because you want to eat healthy. You should not go oilless completely because you want to eat healthy. And here are the reasons why. I need the marker because I'm trying to board. And the pebble. But if you want carbohydrates, your protein, your fats, vitamins, and minerals. Now, your carbohydrates.
No,
That is you can cut it like this complete. You understand? If you don't want to get seed, you can be cutting it. You understand? But if you want to harvest it and still get the seed and still get the pod and all the leaf together, you have to be removing it like this. If not, if you're cutting it, you just.
It's something that should be embarked on. It's something that we should do. Food is actually meant to go from your farm to your table. That's the natural order of things.
From October, November 2022 to about now, I think we've trained roughly between 400 and 600 people. Yes. Yes. Because we have taken about 11 cohorts now. Yes, we've taken about 11 cohorts, and a cohort will comprise anything between 5 to maybe 30 people. So at varying, there are some people that came 30. So this type of thing stretches us.
Yes.
When